Fala galera, quem fala é profissional. Galera, hoje tá gravando o teu Walking Dead Season 2 aqui, né? Caraca galera, eu acordei agora, são 6h49 da manhã. Eu acordei agora. Queria que eu não gravar pra vocês aqui, cara. Esperando essa parte aquaqui.
You're the one telling me to fucking shoot her. Everybody just calm down for a second.
Clementine, you okay? We got a doctor right here, okay? He'll have a look. Now what the hell is wrong with you people? Okay, she's just scared.
We're all scared, Luke. Don't act like we're the ones being irrational because we don't buy this bullshit story.
No way she survived out here on her own. Why are we even arguing about this?
Let me take a look.
It's okay. Go ahead, he's a doctor.
Damn, that must have hurt.
Whatever it was, it got you good.
This isn't how we do things, man. When you're bit, you get put down. End of story. I'm not going through this again. No one suggested that. We could take her arm off. I know that worked for a cousin down in Ainsworth. We could try that.
It won't do any good. You'll just be making it worse for the girl.
It's crazy. No one...
I'm just a little girl. I'm not gonna hurt anyone.
Yeah.
I promise you, it was just a dog bite. That's all it was. Who's she?
Sarah, what I say? Stay inside.
I don't mean to be any trouble. I just want to stop the bleeding and then I'll go. You'll never see me again. I promise.
And where exactly would you go?
I can take care of myself.
Clearly.
I'm no doctor or nothing. I'm good with whatever you decide. But maybe we should be sure before we go off and do something crazy. Just saying. So, what do you think? Was it a lurker?
A bite like that could be anything. Only one way to find out.
How?
We wait.
What?
By tomorrow morning, if the fever set in, we'll know if she's gonna turn. In the meantime, we can lock her in the shed.
What about my arm? It needs to get cleaned and stitched and bandaged.
The girl is in bad shape, Carlos.
But we have all that stuff inside the cabin. We could probably get by.
Alvin, please.
But yeah, we can't do nothing.
I'm not wasting supplies on a lurker bite.
É que o cachorro, quando dá mordidas, machuca muito o braço da menina. Aí tá parecendo mordida de zumbi.
I'm sorry. It's the best we're gonna get.
Finger off the trigger, son.
I ain't your son. Don't be like that, man.
It's all right. Always got his mom's temper.
Come on.
This is just a waste of time. You'll see. And when she turns, I ain't gonna be the one cleaning up the shit.
Maybe you could let me go?
I wish I could. I really do, but it's too risky. Sorry. Why are we doing this? Fucking dumb. Because it's safer this way, and I'd rather be sure. Yeah, safe.
I can't believe this.
Galera, eu peguei controle, galera. O controle do jogo.
Not much left in me. I guess if I have to, I can use this for stitches.
É daí, caralho. É, galera, a menina caiu com tudo, machucou o braço. Sai daí, miserável. Sai daí, miserável.
They have a doctor. He's gotta have stuff for stitches.
Ah, agora ela corre.
It's pretty safe in there. It'll be a good place to stitch up my arm.
Bora lá, galera, bora. É. Ué.
It makes me feel like a fucking idiot when we're not on the same page.
We are on the same page.
Not out there, we weren't. Not about the girl. I saw you get soft.
What do you want me to do, Beck? Put a bullet in her?
I want you to think about our family first.
It's all I think about. So don't
É,
give
galera.
me this shit.
I need some air.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm not gonna hurt anyone.
Yeah, but you're gonna get me in trouble.
Please, I need to fix my arm.
Are you out of your mind? Even if you ain't bitten by some lurker, which you probably are, you can't be here. You gotta get out of here, you understand?
Caraca,
Get
galera.
back into that shed and Carlos will take care of you in the morning. Damn it, girl, go. Damn it, girl. You're gonna get me in trouble. I'm serious. You need to get out of here.
I saw when everyone was arguing. You wanted to help.
Anything. Look, you gotta get out of here before my wife finds you. I'm serious. You gotta go.
Please help. cry. I'm just tired.
You're not with Carver,
No,
and you didn't get bit by a dead person.
no. I'll do anything I can to help your situation. Anything.
Except leave me alone.
Yeah, I guess.
I'm screwed if anyone finds out I did this. You understand?
Yes.
What do you need?
The cut on my arm needs to be cleaned and stitched.
Stitch? I ain't doing that.
I'll figure it out on my own.
All right, look. I don't know what I can find. We're short on bandages, but I might be able to find something clean that will work.
I need something to clean it out with.
Caraca.
And a needle and thread could help too.
I don't even know where to look. Carlos has medical supplies on lockdown. We don't got much these days.
Well, whatever you can get. I'll find the rest on my own.
Okay, wait here. I found you some bandages. And I got you a juice box in case you're thirsty.
Thank you.
Alvin, house meeting in 5 minutes.
Oh, okay, thanks. Now you need to go.
Eu tenho que fazer alguma coisa que possa sair dessa casa aqui. Aqui, ó. Desse daqui, ó. Não, isso aqui. Isso aqui não.
Of course.
Tem uma coisa aqui. Eles vêm pra cá e já achou. Aqui, ó. Vai lá. E daí, filho da mãe? Sai. Mas então, galera, deixa o vídeo por aqui. Se você clique no gostei, se inscreve no canal se ainda não é inscrito. E deixa seu like aí para ajudar a divulgação do canal. Pra gente chegar aí, meus inscritos lá no meu outro canal. Que eu queria muito que eles voltassem aqui no meu novo. Cara, eu fiquei muito triste quando a PUC tinha que pagar meu canal, cara. Fiquei muito triste, ela tinha que gravar outro canal novo. Pra vocês verem, pra vocês ficarem vendo aí. Então, galera, fui. Não esqueça de deixar o like aí. Pra me ajudar no meu novo canal, tá bom? Fui.